Oh. Mike did not want to leave Mike.
Yeah, Mike liked Mike. He wanted to be like Mike, I guess. So yeah, sorry about that. But our second guest decided not to show up.
Oh,
so,
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, it happens. But especially since we're only doing an hour-long show, so and maybe they'll show up now.
Hey guys.
Nope. Okay. Paul, how's it going? Yesterday we talked about the PTZOptics 30X. Excuse me, as my mic is acting funny. But you guys also have the kit.
Yes.
That you're setting up. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah. So we have the. In fact, Mike's using it right now to stream this event. So we love to eat our own dog food, use the products that we offer and suggest. This is a 4-port SDI solution. So it uses those good old cables called SDI. There's still, I still love SDI cables. And the reason why is because they're uncompressed. It's totally 1080p, 3 gigabits of data, and the color space is really deep.
Yeah.
And, with some of the newer technologies like NDI, which we will be having an NDI version of this kit at some point, I'm sure. The color space, when you compress it that much, it's noticeable in my opinion.
Yeah.
But when you're streaming to Facebook and YouTube, did you ever notice they actually put their own color wrapper on it? Like, you stream to YouTube and Facebook, and they look different. They're
doing processes. It's just like any other camera. I mean, if you and we also see this because I have a friend that has the 20X Gen 1, and I have the 20X Gen 2. And you guys changed out the video processor, if I remember correctly, between the two generations. So when we use both of our cameras together, each camera company has their own designated color pattern. And I think it's actually copyrighted or something like that. So his camera is just slightly different. And I have to sit there and I have to do a lot of color correction. It's doable. And we use both cameras perfectly. But yeah, it takes a little bit of work to do. And but yeah, Facebook and Google exactly the same way.
Yeah. So Mike is using the Producer Kit now. It includes a joystick controller, 4 ports of SDI, and a Intel NUC Skull Canyon.
Yeah. And now they got the new Skull Canyon. I was reading that yesterday. It had 3 versions with AMD graphics. It's still an i7 processor, but I think it's the newer Gen 8 processor. And it's got like 3 Thunderbolt ports to it, 2 Ethernet ports to it, and are you going to add that to the
lineup? 2 mini
lineup?
display ports, 2 HDMI ports. It's really incredible, and yes, that is something that we are going to be adding to the lineup. It's going to take a little while, but getting it all ready now, it's going to be a complete NDI solution. Shouldn't even be talking about it because it's not ready yet. Okay,
we're not talking about this. So you're all signing the NDA right now? Okay, you signed it? Okay, good.
Thank you.
But right now you do have this nothing wrong with this Skull Canyon NUC right now.
Oh, it's great.
Because it's an i7 in itself. It's still a Gen 7 Intel processor, which runs probably better than even the Pixelbook that I have down here because that's an i5. So it's got the power to do that, and as you can see, we're doing it pretty well here. Yeah,
we're doing multi-camera live stream. For ours, we're doing YouTube and Facebook at the same time. So encoding 2 1080p streams at the same time with multiple cameras and media and all kinds of different stuff. So yeah, it's great.
That's awesome. So you get the joystick with it. You get the NUC.
Yes.
You get the. Do you get the card or?
The card? Oh yeah. So there's a 4-port SDI box that's included, and the SDI box has a Magewell actually capture card in it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And can you choose the Magewell if you want to do HDMI over SDI or?
No, it is only SDI.
Only SDI? Okay.
Yeah.
But there are other options, and if you do want to change it out, you can on your own. So.
Yeah.
That's awesome. What are we talking about for price?
So it's in the neighborhood of $4,000 to $5,000. I can never remember every price because I'm a little fried from all the pricing and features that I've been trying to memorize. But it's in the neighborhood of $4,000 to $5,000.
Okay.
It comes with a camera, everything you need: a camera, a joystick, a controller, computer, everything.
And the vMix software?
The The vMix software would be separate, so we want to
Separate?
be
Okay.
agnostic to the software.
So if you want to go with Wirecast or another system, you can.
Yes.
As long as it's Windows based. So that's awesome. Even OBS, that's pretty sweet. So
Yeah.
all right, PTZOptics.com. We can definitely check that out if you guys need a one-stop solution on that. So
Thank you for having me on.
thank you.